Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, if you have not seen Miranda Sings, my video, it's called the Miranda Sings, because I was watching Miranda Sings. So, I'll link that down in the description down below, and go check it out, and comment for more video ideas. So today, we're going to make a slime smoothie. Well, it's only like 4 slimes, all of these right here, so I'm mixing all those into the bucket. So let's gonna mix it into a bucket. So I am going to fill this, and we're gonna put some in the bucket. So let's do the bagged one first. This is the bagged one. It's fluffy slime, so that's one first. This is crunchy slime. This is gold pom-pom slime. And they're all bad slimes. So they're really dry and bad, so that's why I decided to mix them. So let's mix them together. Okay. That's how they look. Comment down below if I should keep them or throw this away. That's how it looks. Okay. The beads are falling out and it's not mixing very well. Mix. Okay, well, this is how it turned out. All the blue took over. There's only this spot. So this is how it looks. Comment down below for more video ideas. Bye, guys.